If you're interested in Campaign Trackly, you're probably looking for a better way to build campaign tracking links. Introducing our drag-and-drop link builder. First things first, are you making links for a brand new campaign, or are you adding links to one that already exists? If you click Choose Existing, you can search for a pre-existing campaign to add links to. But since we're making a brand new campaign, let's click Add New and give it a name. Next, your links. You can type or paste each link, select one or more links from a pre-existing list, or bulk import links from a CSV file, with each link on a new row like this. You also have the option to give each campaign a category for organizational purposes, and to shorten each link with a shortener of your choice, including our own. Now, on to the tags. With the drag and drop builder, you select which tags you want, add them to your links, and the builder will give you working tracking links. You can use a template, which can select tags for you to start with, but it's completely optional. You can select and add entries from your library of tags in bulk, or drag and delete tags individually. The search function and favorite tag toggle can help you find certain tags, but you can also add new tags as you build. I think we're ready to preview and save. Everything looks good here, so let's finish up. And there you have it, a brand new campaign made with our drag and drop builder. Simple and easy.